Today it's a simple DIY. How to change a toilet seat. A very disgusting DIY. But some people don't know how, so let's get into this. Yeah, maybe not get into it, but let's get the seat changed. Let's check this one out. Ugh. One thing that's really disgusting is toilet seats. Getting into these things and replacing these is just sometimes absolutely just disgusting. But it does the job for a lot of us. So very simple to do. You got 2 bolts in the back. Make sure the seat actually fits. You've got 2 different sizes of toilet seats. You've got a standard and an elongated. So the elongated actually comes out further, where the standard is shorter. And this is something that you'll see a lot of, are the standard ones. If you got a bigger bathroom, the elongated will take up more space. So this one's a standard, and it'll be replaced with a standard toilet seat. The other thing to do is to make sure, if you care about color, is to find the brand of your toilet and match the color to this toilet seat. If you go to Home Depot or Rona or some of these places, you will see that they have certain standards of toilet seats. But there's different colors of white to watch out for. So we've got this one off. As you can see, this one's broken and probably pretty disgusting too, which I'm not going to open. But yeah, let's get this cleaned up. I hate toilets. This is definitely something to wash your hands after. But one nice thing is, when you do a toilet seat, is to make sure you do it right and make sure your client's happy, is clean it. So, okay. Ugh. May as well be a maid sometimes. Sometimes with these toilets, it's absolutely disgusting. But when your clients come back and they've got a nice sparkling toilet that you've almost vomited on, they'll be happy. You might not be. Your hands might be disgusting. Your nose might not be. But hey, sometimes it's not about us. So if you're doing this as a DIYer, whether you're a person that just wants to do stuff around the house, it's pretty simple. That one's clean. Now, it's much easier to now work over a toilet that actually smells better. Okay, new toilet seat. Pop these clips open. Okay, got one. Some of these actually open pretty easy, but some don't. So. And it's pretty simple. You got the 2 bolts. You just drop the 2 bolts through. You got the 2 nuts, and each of these has a little handle that you can actually hold, and they will lock in place as well. So those just go on the other end, the bottom of the toilet. Screw those in as far as possible, and the rest you can use a screwdriver. This will be taking a, you can use a standard or a Phillips on this one, which is as I explain to my son all the time, would be a flat screwdriver or a star screwdriver. So we'll take this and get this in. Make sure your toilet's lined up properly as well, just so it sits nice. Once you've done that, just screw down the, or clip down the top of it. Make sure catching, there we go. And put the clamp down, and there you go. The toilet seat that's not broken and works. Pretty simple how to try a toilet out to make sure it doesn't move. There we go. Just sit down, wiggle. Yes, I'm keeping my pants on. But yeah, it works perfectly. It's all good to go. It's all nice and tight. And this is it for DIY on how to fix a toilet seat. Now, stop looking at my butt. Look up.